In this video, you will learn how to run TikTok ads to your WhatsApp. So if you want to run TikTok sales ad or lead generation ad directly to your WhatsApp, maybe you want to close the sales on WhatsApp, or you want to continue the sales conversation on WhatsApp, then this is how you can use your phone to run the TikTok ads directly to your WhatsApp. Do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing tutorial. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Open your TikTok app, go to your profile, click on this menu icon, click on TikTok Studio. It will take you here. You will see promote button right here. Click on promote. The first thing is to choose your goal. For you to run this TikTok ads to WhatsApp, then you need to select get leads as your goal. When you click on get leads, you will see get more TikTok messages. You will see get more phone calls and other messaging apps. Remember, we are sending these prospects to WhatsApp, so select other messaging apps. When you click on other messaging apps, it will take you over here. Now you need to select the messaging app you want, and we want WhatsApp. So right here is WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp to select WhatsApp. You'll be asked to input your WhatsApp number. I will enter my WhatsApp number right now. After inputting your WhatsApp number like this, down below you will see this save button. Click on save and your WhatsApp number will appear here like this. Come down below, you will see this save button. Click on save. The next thing is to select the ad creative you want to use. That is the video you want to use for your ad. If you have not uploaded it on TikTok, then you need to upload it before you come here to set ad. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Now you will see all the videos on your TikTok account. You can scroll to see the one you want to use. So you can scroll the videos like this and select the particular video you want to use. For example, I want to use this particular video, so I'll tap on it to select it. You can see this red icon on it. That means this one has been selected. After selecting the video, scroll down and you will see define your audience. Now it's usually on default audience, that is TikTok choose for you. Now if you leave it for TikTok to choose for you, TikTok can select whatever they want as your audience, but don't leave it in the hands of TikTok. Therefore, I prefer to set my audience by myself. So I will advise that you select custom audience. Click on custom. When you click on custom, it will take you here. Depending on the type of product that you're promoting, you can choose all gender if you're selling for both male and female, or you choose only female depending on the type of product you are selling or what you're promoting. Okay, so I'll select all because I'm selling for both male and female. Then the next thing is age. I mostly remove this age, and I usually remove this one because the type of product I'm selling is mostly for people from 25 and above, but your own depends on your type of product. So select your age bracket depending on your type of product. Okay, so I'll select this one, I will select this one, I'll select this, and I will select this. These are the people that I want for my own audience. Okay, then scroll down, you will see interest. So you can select interest specifically for the type of products that you're selling. And I will select specifically for mine works for education, those interested in education. To understand this interest audience, TikTok is talking about what your prospect or those your customers, what the kind of content that they are interested in. Okay, that's how you target them with this interest. My people are interested in educational content. They are also interested in financial services. My people are interested in appliances, tech and electronics. I'm not selling beauty products, so they are not interested in that. They are interested in apps. They are also interested in news and entertainment, business services, live services. Okay, those are what my clients or my prospects are most interested in. So after selecting, depending on your own, select the ones that they are interested in your own. Okay, depending on the product you're promoting, right? Then you click on this save button down below, or click on save now. This is the audience I just created now. Then scroll down and you will see set budget and duration. Now you have to set your budget here. You can drag this backward or forward to increase or decrease, or you click on this edit button to edit your budget. Okay, so I'll click on this edit button to set my budget right now. That is how much I want to use per day. I will clear this off. I want to use 5,000 naira, so I will input 5,000 naira per day. You can use 1,000 naira on TikTok, you can use 2,000 naira, 3,000 and above. Okay, after inputting the amount, click on this confirm button below. After setting your budget, set your duration. Okay, you can drag this forward and backward to reduce or increase the number of days you want your ad ad to last. So this is on day 1. I'll drag it to day 7. Okay, I want it to run for 7 days. So I'll drag it to 7. Okay, after setting the duration, scroll down and click on this pay button. If you already have a payment method on TikTok, then you will see your card details here. Okay, if you don't have, then you can add one. You can use your MasterCard or Visa card to pay. Just click on this add payment method. When you click on it, in case you have not added anyone, it will take you here. Then go ahead and click on this credit or debit card. When you click on credit or debit card, it will take you here. This card number is a long digit number on your card. Then expiry date is also on your card. CVV is the 3-digit numbers at the back of your card. Then you enter your card name, which is your name on your card or your bank account name in case your card is not holding a name. Okay, then you can click here if you want to save these details for next payment, but if you don't want that, just uncheck it. Okay, then after that, the confirm button will come up. You click on confirm for you to process your payment. Your bank will send you an OTP and you are going to credit your TikTok account. With that, your TikTok ad will be in review, and after review they will approve your ad. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.